I needed to learn a lot more, so we formed a theatre group specifically for Thesco. It was called What If. Uska What If ही हो गया. Our show was really bad. I think you will tell you that. And after the second show, the group disbanded, and we pretty much never got back together as a group. But that doesn't matter. It was overall a really fun experience. I learned a lot. I got to polish my skills. Before that play, I didn't know how to take light on stage. So that's something I learned from that particular show. And I was so excited about being back at Thesco that I tried, because I didn't have a group anymore, everybody left. In 2010, I wanted to write something myself and come and perform. And to their credit, I had said I will submit something and I couldn't finish it in time. And they kept kind of encouraging me, which was amazing because पिछले साल हमने हगा था. So it was 2010, yeah, the basketball had happened, and I just couldn't, I didn't have the confidence if I could write and act at the same time, but I was trying to. So basically, I'm here to tell you कि अगर आप अपनी जवानी के जोश को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और अगर आप दोस्त नहीं बना पा रहे हैं, and sorry, sounding like some ad in a bus, but if you can't do any of that, I think this is the place to be. Don't worry कि आप हिंदुस्तान में किस शहर से हैं. As you can see, this is just growing. I mean, I had no clue that it's become so big because I have been coming and watching and going and doing my own thing. But now, after I've been, by the way, watching all of you play your games and your little AV and everything, and it's really grown tremendously. And that's only because of the dedicated team. I think we should give them a round of applause. It's only because that a bunch of really committed people have selflessly put in a lot of hours, and despite the fact that I personally got majorly bajawed at Thesco because I play sucked very badly.
I'm not a part of it. I have been a part of it in the past, and I'm here to encourage other people to see the value and worth of this festival and encourage them to participate in it. Or I'm a loser. 2009 I participated in a play, and see, that's the thing, just to be able to qualify in a festival like this, which is a national, now international festival, was a big deal for me and my group at the time. And I had a nomination, I think, but I was really thrilled to be a part of it. There's no advice. Art is a tough field, but you just have to keep going because the work is so much fun, and that's all I can say.
Okay, and what's your next project in Bollywood?
Next, my
Project in Bollywood.
My next project in Bollywood. Please, बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बाद.
Thank you.
और आप ऐसे सवाल पूछेंगे तो बिल्कुल नहीं देखेंगे, क्योंकि हमारा बजट जितना होता है उस हिसाब से फिल्म का सक्सेस या फेलियर डिपेंड करता है. एंड हमने उसको जस्टिफाई किया, हमने एक अच्छी कहानी बनाई, हमें पूरे दुनिया में शाबाशी मिली, कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में 2 अवार्ड मिले, तो उस फिल्म को जितना हमने सोचा था उससे कहीं ज़्यादा बड़ा सक्सेस मिला.